What's up, YouTube? Back again with another video. So today I ordered the Galaxy Watch 4 and I'm going to try it out with the Surface Duo 2. I've had the Duo 2 now for just over a week, and I'm developing a real love for the device. I'm going to have a full review, some information for you guys in another video, testing the battery life. I'm testing just the everyday use of this device. So far I'm liking it. My daily driver before this was an iPhone Max, some iPhone Max XS, and I was rocking the Series 3 Apple Watch. So I'm essentially looking to replace these two with these two. Alright, so let's go ahead and unbox the Galaxy Watch 4. This cost me from Amazon $320 Canadian. They seem to have a sale going on right now. You save $50. I think that's the case because there's some missing features that don't work in Canada. But anyways, I think there's going to be some issues also with the watch working with a non-Galaxy phone, but we will check all those things out. So first, let's see what's in the box. So I'm not sure if I'll keep the watch. If it doesn't work quite well, I will return it. But figured give it a shot and see what we get. I know there's some other watches out there, the Tick watch, the Fossil watch. I decided to try this one first to see if it would work. And if it doesn't, then I'll try Tick watch or the Fossil watch. So the only thing that's in there is the charger. It's a similar charger, looks similar to what you get with the Apple Watch. I don't know if it'll actually, if I actually plug it in, if it would work, but that's something I'll try. You never know. Seems to want to stick to the back of the Apple Watch as well, but we'll actually see if that's compatible. Alright, so that's that. Let's get the watch out. It's the first time that I'm touching any other wearable other than the Microsoft Band. So my first impressions of this, it's definitely lighter than my Series 3. And you notice the Series 3, this is the cellular version, even though I don't have a cellular plan with it. I got that version. I think at the time it had more storage, and so I thought that would have been more important to get. So you can see the size. Yeah, I don't think I have huge wrists. I think I have pretty small wrists. So you can get an idea what they might look like side by side. So they take up about the same amount of space. So let's see if we've got any power on here. I'm not gonna list the specs. I'm sure there are many reviews of this watch. I'm not really here to review the specs. I'm really here to review or test how this works with my Duo 2. So you guys can go look up the specifications. Maybe I'll display it on the screen of the watch. My interest is, can I get a smartwatch that is going to work with my Duo and give me, similar type of usefulness, I would say, as I got with my iPhone and my Apple Watch. I mean, I have to say that Apple has done a fantastic job in their ecosystem. It's really hard to replace these two things. As much as I love the Duo, it's hard to replace them. So let's see what we got here. So we got welcome. Looks like I have to swipe up. Get started. Get started in the Galaxy Wearable app on your phone. Okay, so here's the first test. Okay, let's slide over and just use the Duo in single screen mode. Scanning for devices to add. Well, looks like it found the watch right away. It's good. It's a good sign. 3.0. Yeah, I can confirm it is the same. And we are going to pair. You need the plug-in to control your watch with the Galaxy Watch wearable. Okay. So it looks like I got to install another app, Galaxy Watch 4 plugin. Let's install that. Okay. Go back to this app. Sign in for more features. Okay, well, let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so one of the first things that I've been prompted to do is to update my watch. So I started that process, and then it told me it lost the connection with the watch. It's kind of just stuck in this spinning here. So what we're going to try here is maybe close this app down and open it back up again. And then we're going to go into watch settings. Go into watch software update. And as you can see here, there is a new update with some new features and improvements. Now I don't know why it lost the connection. See here now, I don't know what it's doing. I mean the watch is right here, it's not far. So the watch face is switching, which tells me it's connected still. So let's look again. Yeah, there's no way for me to know if it's actually doing this update. Maybe the watch has to be plugged in. I know the Apple Watch didn't really do the update unless it's plugged in. So it looks like I left it alone for a little bit, and something must have happened while I was going for the charger. Something came back to life. So looks like it's gone back to downloading. It's got 3 minutes 18 seconds left. Okay, it's charging. I'm gonna go grab my Apple Watch and we'll see if this thing will actually charge the Apple Watch as well. Hold on. Okay, let's see where we're at. So here we are with the Apple Watch. Nope. I mean, I didn't really think it would actually work, but it's worth a try. Apple Watch doesn't want to sit on top of this. It's almost like it's just rejecting it. Magnets are saying we are not compatible. Hopefully I didn't mess up the watch. Okay, it's about 10 seconds. 3, 0 seconds. It's already downloaded, so now saying here it's ready to install. So I can click install now. Okay, see, here we go. So I've got to get my battery up to 30% before I can do that. So I've got the battery charging, so while it's charging, why don't we just take a quick peek at some of the settings and stuff that I see here that I'm liking so far. So watch faces. It's a ton of watch faces. Look at all these. Can't say I, some that I would use all of them, but you can see there's a ton of different watch faces, and they so they prompt you if they're not installed. Let's install this one, see what happens. This process is it's downloading it. It's the health dashboard. Still going. Looks like it's finished. Let's see. Yeah, it's not bad. Switches very fast, I find. That's interesting. It's nice. Okay. Very nice. So, got lots of watch faces. So I'll get a chance to play with that. You can customize the watch face. Okay, I can change the color. Purple. Green. Now I only see 3 different colors here, but we all know us men are colorblind, so I'm sure my wife would tell me that wasn't purple. But hey, looked like purple to me, so it's purple. Okay, we got, let's go through these watch settings. Notifications. I like this. Show phone notifications on watch. Show alerts when phone is not in use. That's great. One thing I don't like about my Apple Watch, and maybe you can change that as well, is my wrist goes off, my phone goes off. So if this thing knows I'm using the phone and doesn't vibrate my wrist, that's great. But you can also get the option to show even when the phone is in use. I like that. Okay, mute notifications on phone. Notifications on your phone will be muted while you're wearing your watch. Now I don't know about that. I don't know about the other way around. I like my notifications to still show up on my phone even if I have my watch. So I think I'm going to leave that one to not mute it. So off. This is still charging up. Let's see what we can do here. Let's see if we can get in to the Play Store. See what happens when we get into the Play Store on the watch. Apps on your phone, featured apps, productivity apps, watch faces. Oh, let's try this. Oh, okay. Oh. Okay, it's a little getting used to. It's not quite right on the edge of the watch. I was trying to scroll on the edge out here, and that doesn't do it. It's kind of there. Okay. All right, so let's see if we can. First things first. See this keyboard? We gotta get rid of it. Gotta get Gboard. G. Gboard. Okay, here it is. Install. It's pretty cool. So I can have Gboard on my watch, but not necessarily use it on my phone. Maybe. Let's see what happens. Okay. Now I go into settings. Where do I change? Is it general? Text to speech, input. No, this is what I want to do. Is I want to change keyboard list and default. We want to change the default from Samsung to Gboard. So now when I'm searching, there we go. So now I've got, I don't know if it's going to help me type better. Let's see. What do I want? I want the Google Assistant. G-O. Okay, that's pretty good. That's pretty good. I got to give Google credit that I'm able to type Google Assistant on a watch. I'm not sure if it's supposed to be something I find in the store, but in either case, the fact that I could type it, yeah, that's pretty cool. So I'll figure that stuff out, and I'll come back, update you guys of how I'm doing.